ITMA Connect invites you to join in the virtual edition of Innovator Xchange. Continue the discovery of game-changing innovations, trends, insights that may open up new business opportunities for you. Participate in the discussion of 5 trending topics with textile leaders and industry experts. Advanced materials, automation and digital future, innovative technologies, sustainability and circularity, impact financing. If you're not already on ITMA Connect, be among the first 100 to RSVP by 25th January to receive your complimentary ITMA Connect visitor account.